To use OFX for real estate transactions, start by opening a web browser and typing in OFX to find the OFX Foreign Exchange Company, also known as OFX International Money Transfers or formerly UK Forex. The website to visit is OFX.com. Once on the site, you will see the OFX logo at the top left and sign in and sign up options at the top right. To access your account, click on the Sign In button and enter your email and password information. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. OFX is a platform for secure international money transfers, and it provides guidance on buying property abroad. The OFX FAQ explains how to make funds transfers for property payments, which can be done regularly, and it's possible to specify real estate transaction as the reason for the transfer. Additionally, the guide covers topics such as where to purchase property abroad, how currency fluctuations impact the global real estate market, and what taxes will need to be paid. This information is helpful for those looking to buy property abroad, and it provides a useful resource for navigating the process of international real estate transactions.